Hi again, world. It's still 22nd of January in the evening, same day. And so I got feedback from one of my family members about the latest or the former reel that I uploaded at daytime. Um, and she thought I should share or tell why we in Sweden are not allowed to have long nails and jewelries at work within healthcare. I thought I mentioned that long time ago in Tibetan, but anyway, I will do it again. But I think many Western countries have similar rules and regulations within healthcare, so I didn't care telling in detail. Okay. Uh, if you work within healthcare, especially if you do nursing, if you come very close to the patient, you are not allowed to say patient as long as you don't work in hospitals. Firstly, when you work within homes, different homes, for people, elderly people or people with different disabilities, people with mental illnesses or mental sicknesses. So if you work very close to the patients, or in this case we cannot call them patients, we have different very beautiful flashy names. Every year there will be improving very beautiful names and phrases. Nowadays we call them clients, and clients or tenants or users or something like that. So when we do have very near contact with the clients or the tenants, especially nursing, then you are not allowed to have long nails, jewelry, especially your hands should be totally free from long nails and jewelries. Is firstly, of course, because of the hygiene reason, and secondly, you may hurt the person you are serving with nursing. Sometimes you may have scratchy jewelries, very sharp. You may, and the client could be very sensitive. Many old people, they are very sensitive. They have sensitive skins also, so you may hurt them and injure them. But mainly is the main reason is hygiene reason. And actually you should cut down your nail totally very short, but we cheat sometimes, cheat, and we keep it just clean, of course, but it's not enough actually. And the only one ring you can carry, and that's if your wedding ring is very important, and the main wedding ring, which is called alliance ring here, and that should be plain and not with so many stones that can catch and collect bacteria. So you should have plain ring. That's allowed. So sometimes I just carry one, not carry. I wear only one ring. But this one has got also small stones. So if my manager sees this, she can complain about this one also. But I can cheat and do like this. But you have to think about their health and our own health also. And I may spread the bacteria from one client to next, and to myself and to my colleagues also. So so you have to think firstly about the about the clients and colleagues and yourselves. That's why you should not have these, and you are not allowed to have your private clothes either. So you wear uniform and you wash them daily and just leave it at work. But if you are working in same group and same home, but you have other, if you have other tasks, like if you lead activities, uh, or you are only working in the office with administrative tasks, then you don't have to think about these rules. So I don't know, it could be very interesting for you, and maybe it could be very it's just repeating things. Those who live in Europe and in North America maybe have similar rules and regulations. They know, they are very aware of it, or them, or it's maybe irritating to hear uh, information that everybody already knows, especially those who work within healthcare. But in East, I don't know, I have never worked within, I never worked as employed in when I lived in India, so I don't know the reason. And especially I never checked in healthcare, but I know how it is in India where I come from. So they don't have these rules. Even if they rule, people don't follow, you know that, because I visited hospitals when I have never, I was never hospitalized there, but I have visited so many people there, and I've stayed at hospital just to keep company, also someone's company. So I saw the hygiene all, but these were government's hospitals, and I went to these Apollos and all that. They have better hygienes, of course, all about money. But I didn't see that people were that careful. I mean, I saw the doctors and nurses having jewelries and long nails and nail polish and all that. So so if we cheat and go with nail polish and long nails and you have jewelry, since uh, your own colleagues will complain on you immediately, or if she has right to she or he has right to report to the manager. And if manager is there at the office, she or he will call you to the office and warn you several times, so you get chances. I had young colleague working very well and very good, very professional, but she could not help having these long nails, false nails, uh, like most of the girls have nowadays. And she had them, and she was maintaining them every week or every month. So she got so plus she had nail polish on them, so very long, but she could handle that and kept it very clean and all that. But the manager warned her many times. At last she had to remove all the nails. So she did it, removed, and after that she listened to the manager, so she never had long nails, just a little bit longer, like my nails, but she never had these loose nails and nail polishes. So so it was okay. She was not punished, just warned, and she followed the rules after that. So it was okay. So I hope you find it. Some of you will find it interesting to listen to, and yeah. So long and good night. Tomorrow I will be working. I have missed 2 or 3 shifts last few days due to some reasons. So today they called and I said, okay, immediately I will be working tomorrow. So I will be working in another unit.